an elected representative of the people of Panji. He has right to his own views, and I am not there to dispute his views. However, I can say that we were fully aware of what the situation was. Our entire team was there, and it is not the time for us to blame. We have got just 7 months. I have to keep the morale of my team up. I have to keep the morale of my contractors up. We have just 7 months to deliver this project. You know, the project is going on for 7 years. We have seen this rain pre-monsoon shower as a learning. A lot of positives have come. We have analyzed how the water flow was going on. Checklist has been drawn where these choke-up points were, how the flow was, and I think we are quite satisfied by our learnings. As I said, it is an opportunity. A lot of dust pollution which was talked about has come down because of the rain. It is a big positive, not for us, for the people of Panaji. आज हांव AQI एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स चेक करतालो, आमचो 17 टच जातालो, आज 40 हा. It is actually come from satisfactory to very good. That pumping system was on. आमी आमचे इंजिनियर दवरिल्ले. वॉटर लेवल जसो वाडलो आमी ते माला लेकीचो इक्विलिब्रियम धरपाक पंप चालू केल्ले आनी म्हाका दिसता दोज pumps worked. Water table at Mala was maintained very well, and I think Mala was out of this zone where even slightest water accumulation was not there.